Yo, forward now. Yo, brother, what go on? You my day and I'm a G, you good? Yeah, brother. Yo, where you do, Negus? You my day, alright, the new episode for real life of Uptown Jamaicans, you see me? Why pray? No, brother, where you do? I just tell us me alright, the new episode for real life of Uptown Jamaicans, what happened? No, brother. You say DJ can make you honey. You say Walkerwood taste nice. It does though. No say them thing there, brother. Why not? Man, they must say you gay. Okay, but I'm not though. But them not think so. But you know that though, right? Bro, me know you all of my life, me know. Alright, that's all that matters, brother. I'm a friend in a real life will know me. Plus me no business bound a man, brother. But some woman say it too. Brother, who are the biggest supporters of the LGBTQ community, brother? No most woman. Okay, them best friend gay, them hairdresser gay, all the man do them yai gay. So what that have to do with nothing? It goes to show that them not have no problem with gay people, brother. Them just say them thing never try to hurt my feelings. Clearly an emotional response. Lord Jesus, help the youth, please! Matter of fact, them hypocrite. Because if them did really rape gay people, they wouldn't be using it as an insult towards straight men. Jaja! Brother, just cool the man, me know me I do. You can't too intellectual in the Jamaican comedic circle, brother. You have to vibrate on a low frequency to get the attention of some people. At 3 years now, me I do this, brother. Me know me I do. Yo, I'm tell this right now. You see, if you continue so, brother, them gonna believe. Brother, I'm good. You sure? Positive like a HIV status king, man. Remember, so we come from a country where if you display hyper-masculine traits, them are questioning sexuality, not knowing that some of them hyper-masculine male are up on the down low, brother. You see me? Me not hide my G. Well, you have a point right there, sir. Then that me I tell you, brother. But anyway, you want some workers with brother? Yeah, fish. Jaja!